quick technical check on the market. Ashish, we've seen all dips towards that 17,650 to 17,700 being bought into. The question is, how long can that continue?
Hey Mangalam, morning to you, to Ekta as well, and to all the viewers. See, the overall tone for the market is sideways. As you rightly pointed out, any dips that we are seeing, this is a buy on dips market. That's what everyone is looking at right now. But there is a very classical double top that we see on the Nifty around that 18,000, 18,050 mark. There is an RSI divergence, which means that the momentum has slowed down on the upside, which we were seeing earlier. Also, what remains concerning is that Dow Jones is back below that 31,000 level. And in our rush, it is falling very sharply. And we can't be, I'm sure you might be talking about decoupling, but really, if you go and check the history, decoupling has not been extended for an extended period of time. It has not lasted for an extended period of time. It can continue for a short term, but over the period of time, if US continues to collapse, we cannot bug then and go up. We will at least try to catch up to some extent on the downside. Having said that, I think for today, if Nifty manages to protect that level of 17,640 on the downside, we might start seeing some kind of a pullback, but that should be temporary. I will use that pullback as a shorting opportunity for a target of around 17,500 on the downside, as long as the gap area, which is around 17,850, remains intact. So the trend right now for today is going to be sell on rise for me.
All right, take that point, Ashish. Individual stocks then, what do you have? Because at sell on rise, would you take a few long bets or would you go for some shorts as well?
I'll try to add one long and one short. I like to add Bharat Dynamics on the long side because individually we can see the stocks are still exhibiting their own independent wave pattern. And Bharat Dynamics gave a very classic breakout with a good volume, formed a consolidation triangle pattern for some time and giving a breakout today. So looks a very classic breakout on the upside with volumes. One can create long positions. Stop loss is 884. Target can be 981. And on the sell side is Havells India. We can see some kind of a slowing down on the upside. There is a divergence. It's now moving below its 20 days average as well. So Havells India will be on the sell side, maintaining a stop loss of 1385 for the target of 1245 on the downside.
Okay, all right, Ashish. We're going to leave it on that note. Thanks very much for joining in and have a great weekend as well. Let's shift focus now to a special segment where we will get you a few ideas for profit